Welcome to StockRade, your guide to navigating the exciting world of trading. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to brush up on the basics, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the essentials of trading for beginners. Before we jump in, let's talk about what trading actually is. Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, and commodities with the aim of making a profit. It's a dynamic and fast-paced world, but with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can become a successful trader. Now, let's discuss some essential tips for beginners getting started in trading. Tip 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of trading. Take the time to educate yourself about different trading strategies, market trends, and risk management techniques. There are plenty of resources available, including books, online courses, and educational videos, like the ones you'll find here on StockRade. Tip 2. Start small. It's tempting to dive in headfirst and start trading large sums of money, but it's important to start small, especially as a beginner. Begin with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose while you're learning the ropes. This will help you gain experience without risking too much of your hard-earned money. Tip 3. Develop a trading plan. Successful traders have a plan in place before they execute any trades. Your trading plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, entry and exit strategies, and rules for managing trades. Having a clear plan will help keep you disciplined and focused during volatile market conditions. Tip 4. Practice patience and discipline. Trading can be both thrilling and stressful, but it's essential to remain patient and disciplined. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions and stick to your trading plan, even when the market is unpredictable. Remember, success in trading doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, practice, and dedication. Tip 5. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable in trading, but they can also be valuable learning experiences. Take the time to review your trades regularly, identify what went wrong, and learn from your mistakes. This will help you refine your strategies and become a more resilient and successful trader in the long run. And there you have it. 5 essential tips for beginners getting started in trading. Remember, trading is a journey and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Stay tuned to StockRade for more tips, insights, and strategies to help you succeed in the world of trading. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading!